given the cube root of 0.735. Again, that means, remember, whenever we're talking about roots, we're talking about fractional powers. In other words, we're dividing by that number. So here I'm going to be dividing by 3. Note the upside down division sign. Now, what is the characteristic of this number, 0.735? Yes, Ms. Mahamud, it's bar 1. Bar 1. Remember, whenever the value is negative, we cannot put them together. So that's going to be bar 1 plus, then I go and find 7.3 on my primary column and 5 on my primary row, and they meet at 866. 866, so it's going to be 0.866. Okay? Now here is the thing. Because it is negative, it's bar, I cannot divide directly. This bar value must be the same size as the divisor, or must be a multiple of the divisor, or the closest multiple of that divisor. So that means that I cannot divide into bar 1. I must change that bar 1 to bar 3. But I cannot change the number. What would I need to add to bar 3 to take it back to bar 1? What would I need to add to bar 3 for it to remain as bar 1?
Positive 3.
Huh? No, if it's negative 3 and positive 3 will give me 0. But I need that to remain as bar 1. So instead of adding 3, I will only add
4, sir. Hello, negative 4?
2. I will need to add only 2. Why? 2 minus 3 will give me a negative 1. That's what I have here. So I must return, even whatever I do, I must return to that bar 1. So let's say, for example, I would put bar 6 here. Bar 6. I would have to add 5 here, because 5 minus 6 will leave me with negative 1, which is what I have there. Okay? So remember, always whatever you do to this, this will end up, if I add these two, must come back. So if I made this bar 3 because I'm dividing by 3. To keep it at bar 1, then I must put a 2 here. So that I say 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Remember that. So 3 into bar 3 is bar 1 plus 3 into 2 is 0. 3 into 28 is 9 with a remainder of 1. 3 into 16 is 5 with a remainder of 1. 3 into 16 is 5 with a remainder of 1. And 3 into 10 is 3, and this will recur. Let me just put 3 dots. No, but how many digits can I use? 3. But the number behind the 5 is 3. So if I round off, will I add 1 to this last 5? Is that no, right? No, you can't. So I will anti-log now. I will anti-log 0.955 times 10 to the negative 1. So I will go to my anti-log table and I will find 0.95 on my primary column and 5 on my primary row and find where they meet. And they meet at 9.02 and it's going to be times 10 to the 0, I'm sorry, times 10 to the negative 1 to 3 significant figures.